Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the best products that make your everyday life better. And today, we're reviewing what just might be the best under-counter stainless ice maker you can get your hands on, the IECIVC under-counter Crescent ice maker machine. Right off the bat, let's talk design. This isn't your average clunky appliance. The IECIVC ice maker is sleek, modern, and compact at just 15 inches wide, making it perfect for sliding neatly under your kitchen counter, home bar, or even in a commercial setting. And here's the best part, it's completely drainless. No plumbing, no complicated installations, no waterline required. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. Now, performance. This machine produces 25 pounds of crescent-shaped ice per day. Yes, you heard that right, 25 pounds. And it stores up to 22 pounds at a time, which means you're always covered whether you're hosting a party, running a cafe, or just keeping your family stocked with cold drinks. One of the standout features is how user-friendly this machine is. The one-touch start ice making is as easy as it gets. You press a button and let it do its magic. No confusing settings, no second guessing. It uses an air-cooled cooling system which makes it energy efficient and less prone to overheating. And it operates with minimal noise, which is a big plus if you're using it in your home kitchen or entertainment space. Maintenance is simple too. The removable ice bin allows for quick cleaning and access. Plus, the stainless steel finish makes it resistant to fingerprints and smudges, keeping it looking sharp with very little effort. It's also built to last. The stainless steel body isn't just for aesthetics, it's corrosion-resistant and solidly constructed. Whether you're in a humid environment or using it daily in a high-demand space, this unit is clearly made with durability in mind. Honestly, anyone who wants reliable ice production without dealing with the hassle of water lines. It's ideal for apartment dwellers, basement bars, office break rooms, and even small businesses that want a compact, efficient ice solution. And if you're wondering about installation, it's straightforward. Since it's drainless, all you need is a standard power outlet. Just place it under the counter, plug it in, and you're good to go. That's a huge win for renters or anyone who doesn't want to invest in permanent plumbing changes. To wrap it all up, the IECIVC under-counter Crescent ice maker isn't just about making ice. It's about convenience, performance, and smart design. With 25 pounds of daily production, 22 pounds of storage, and a slim drainless build, it checks every box for both casual users and serious entertainers. If you're looking to upgrade your ice game with something reliable, stylish, and efficient, this might be the smartest under-counter appliance you buy this year. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. See you in the next video.